Hey everybody, welcome to the Southern Girls Urban Kitchen. I'm your host, Savannah Pratt. I know that we are all at home quarantining away, practicing safety and protecting our loved ones. So I thought it would be fun to make a little cooking series with you guys. So today we are going to be making Paleo Pancakes. Yes, you heard me right. Pancakes can also be healthy. And these pancakes only have 140 calories, 1 gram of sugar, and they're dairy free. So you can treat yourself while not breaking your diet. So hang on tight because I'm going to teach you how to make some pancakes that are going to knock your socks off. You're going to need just a few things in order to make these pancakes. First things first, you're going to need a Paleo certified pancake mix. This one is made with coconut flour and almond flour. Then you're going to need a mixing bowl and a mixing spatula. That's what it's called. And then you're going to need a measuring cup. So to start off, you're going to take 3/4 of this mix and pour it into the mixing bowl. Now you're going to take some water and you're going to mix 2/3 cup of water into the mix. And then you're going to mix it up. So you're just going to keep mixing it until the batter starts to thicken and that there's no more dry flour in there. Everything is nice and mixed together. Perfect. That's looking really good. Now this is where you can kind of get creative because it is the weekend, so you can add some chocolate chips if you wanted to, or you can add fruit like blueberries and things like that. But if you want to just do the pancakes and have a little syrup on top, that's what I like to do. The syrup in itself feels like a little treat. So that's how I'm going to do my pancakes. But at this point, you can either add chocolate chips or fruit to jazz up your pancakes. So that's it. That's all you have to do, mixing up your batter. Now we're going to take this to the stove and start pouring our pancakes in and cooking them up. And that's it. That's all it takes to make paleo pancakes. But one more thing. Let's add some syrup. This is my favorite. It's organic and it's 100% pure maple syrup. Drizzle that on top and let's see how this tastes. This is a great way to spend a Saturday morning making some pancakes and having a little fun in your kitchen. Let's see how these taste. That is really good. Well, I hope you guys had fun today and learned a lot about making paleo pancakes and keeping your kitchen healthy but delicious too. Have a great one, y'all.